Hello, Sharon Jerd here. I'm so excited about Grow Your Coaching Biz for 2021. Thank you so much for registering, committing to come along and spend 3 days with me. I'm here at the SMJ headquarters, getting everything set and ready for an amazing full 3 days. So keep an eye on this Facebook Messenger group because we are communicating with you very heavily over the next 3 days. There is some tasks here. So get yourself organized. Don't forget about the pre-registration for the event the day before. It's very, very important that you pre-register. Because you won't be admitted into the room the next day and you'll be held over. So make sure you do get that pre-registration in. I hope you've brought your champagne because we are focusing on being positive, and I know and you know that you're going to be an amazing coach at the end of these 3 days. At the end of these 3 days, if you complete all of the processes that we learn, you'll be an accredited SMJ coach, and that's with the SMJ Coaching Institute. And there's lots of things that come with being an accredited SMJ coach. I'll explain all of this during the 3 days. So, I ask that you play full out. We're here. What I love about running this event is that you get to experience the process as a coach, and you get to experience it as a client. So you'll be working on things in your own life and your business as we go along. And so even though we're learning to be a coach, there'll be so many breakthroughs in your own business and life by being a client during these 3 days. And what I've seen transform with people in this short amount of time is simply amazing. So brace yourself, get ready for a massive 3 days. I do say the finishing time is around 5 p.m. The start time is 8 o'clock registration for 8:30 start. But the 5 o'clock, I get it as close as I can. This is Australian Eastern Standard Time. Sorry, US guys, I know you know what your time zones are. But we may need to go late. And the only reason that we go late is because there may be something that's really important to you as attendees, and I will spend extra time on that sharing my knowledge and expertise for you. Yeah. And so if you guys want to, I will spend the extra time, but most of the time we finish close to. And so don't book anything right after the closing time. Leave a bit of a gap so if we do go over, you won't miss out on those really golden nuggets that we're sharing during the course of the day. There's lots of, instructions, so make sure that you're being detailed and reading all of those instructions. We've sent you the Zoom background to put on. If you're having some challenges around that, let us know and we'll help you with that on the pre-registration day. And so I think that's about it from me. I'm very excited. Everything is going according to plan here. And I can't wait to share with you the amazing things I do in my business as a coach that has grown my business massively, and it will also have the same results for you. So I will see you very, very soon. If you've got any questions, just communicate with us in the Facebook Messenger group and we'll answer them as we go along. Otherwise, I will see you live in a couple of days' time. Bye.